Good morning, friends. It's me, Miss Araceli. Today we are going to be baking something special for you guys, and I'm going to have my niece Samantha help me with the baking. As you guys can see, it's kind of gloomy outside, so this is going to be something that's going to keep you guys nice and warm.
Hi, my name is Samantha, and before we start the mug cake, we're gonna have to wash our hands. You can either count for 20 seconds or you can sing the ABCs. Let's go. So now that we're in the bathroom, we're gonna wash our hands. Make sure you wash your hands with warm water so it kills all the bacteria. And we're gonna do the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we're going to remove the soap. And dry your hands. Now let's go bake our little mug cake. The things you will need for your mug cake will be some measuring spoons, a spoon to mix all your ingredients, a mug, baking powder, all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, oil, and milk. Miss Araceli is going to be telling me the measurements of our ingredients to put into our mug cake.
Okay, so you will need 2 tablespoons of flour, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2. And you will need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. 1. And now you will mix all of your dry ingredients. Okay, now that it's all mixed up, you are going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or any unflavored oil that you have at home. And 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. And you will mix it once again. Make sure you mix it well.
Now that our batter is ready, we're going to put it into the microwave. And we're going to set it for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Once it hits 10, we are going to start counting down, okay, friends? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see our cake.
We're going to be using a toothpick to see if our mug cake is ready.
And if it comes out clean, that means it is ready. Yay!
I'm going to go ahead and add some chocolate syrup on the top of my cake.
Now let's taste it. First you have to blow on it because it is still hot.
I hope you like your mug cake. Enjoy!
That was so much fun, friends. I hope you enjoyed baking your mug cake with Samantha today. Please enjoy it in this rainy, cold day. And I will see you next time. Bye!